Hey, thanks for joining me for another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out from your WordPress website. We are looking at the main dashboard inside your managed WordPress website. I'm going to take my scroll, I'm going to take my mouse button and actually move it all the way up to the top right hand side where it says Howdy Mike Kwall. And I'm going to hover over that. And immediately when I do that, there's a button called Log Out. So when I do this, Howdy Mike Kwall will be replaced with your name. It'll say Howdy, your name, or maybe your company, and or whatever user is logged in here at the moment. Your website might have multiple users on it, but it'll be the same thing for everyone else. You'll just have to move your mouse cursor to the top right hand side and then click on Log Out. I'm going to left click on Log Out and log myself out of the website. And then I'm going to show you that we end up in the very first place where we started off, which is the login page. And I want to go back to my website. So if I want to go back to my website, I could always just type it into the search bar at the very top up here. I can erase all this and just type it in, or I'm just going to click on Go to Mike Kwall. This is a staging website that we're using for the Mike Kwall brand. I'm going to left click on Go to Mike Kwall. It's going to take me back to the website, and this is what your public will see. This is what normal website visitor will see. They won't have access to the back end. They'll just see this right here. Thank you so much for watching another video, how to log out of your WordPress website, and I'll see you on the next video.